Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Airtable for building no-code apps, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Airtable website. You can do this by typing airtable.com into your web browser's address bar. Once the website loads, look for the Sign Up for Free button located prominently on the homepage. Click on this button to begin the registration process. You will now be prompted to create an account. You can choose to sign up using your email address or through Google. If you opt for email, enter your email address and click Start Creating. Follow the instructions to create a password for your new account. Once you've completed this step, check your email for a verification link. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. After verification, you will be redirected back to the Airtable website. Now, you'll need to set up your workspace. You can do this by naming your workspace and choosing your plan. For no-code app building, consider starting with the free plan. Once you've selected your plan, click Create Workspace. You're now in your new workspace. To start building your no-code app, click on the Add a Base button. You can choose to start from scratch or select one of the templates available. If you choose a template, browse through the options and click on one that fits your needs. Now, personalize your base by adding fields, records, and any other necessary elements. Familiarize yourself with the various views Airtable offers, such as Grid, Calendar, and Kanban. These views will help you visualize your data in different formats, aiding in your app building process. When you're ready to start building your app, look for integration options and automation features within Airtable. These tools will allow you to create a more dynamic no-code application. As you continue to explore, take advantage of Airtable's resources and community forums for additional support. Now you are all set to begin using Airtable to build your no-code apps effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.